and it is very, very hot in here. So this couldn't have come at a better time. This is the S2 Pro by CYBERTAKE, and I'm excited to bring you guys along as I unpack and get this thing set up for my camping adventures in my Toyota Tacoma. Thing opened up. So here comes the user's manual for the fourth space CYBERTAKE air conditioner. This is the S2 Pro, and I've read a lot of good things about this particular unit, so I'm excited to give it a try. Check that out, nicely packed. Here it is. Here it is. This is actually pretty awesome. It's like a charcoal gray with black. The build quality is insane. Feels great. So I'm gonna go ahead and move that. Now here is the accessory box. So I'm assuming this is the power inverter. Allows it to power up the unit. Got this accessories box here. Small little tab of tape. All right, here come the duct lines or airflow lines, whatever you want to call it. This is your drip line to drip out any of the water condensation from the tray or whatever you want to call it. And we got the power cable that goes into the inverter. Sweet. Some sort of adapter. I'm assuming this goes onto the face. And this as well. Not sure what the difference is. All right, so this one goes on the back of the unit. This one goes on the front of the unit. I'm assuming and guessing that has to do with heat versus cold, or if you're going to put it inside your camper and exhaust it out, or if you're gonna have it outside of the camper and pump the air in. So if you run this unit inside your camper or inside the space you're trying to cool, it will actually cool it down faster and more efficiently, because it will be sucking in hot air, or I guess it will be sucking out any hot air that's inside your camper and making it cold, and then you exhaust it out of the unit. Sweet. I got the wireless remote control, so I could actually control the unit from up top in my bed and not have to worry about making my way over to the LCD screen. However, it does have a nice little LCD screen here with all the buttons and functions. Being able to use this remote control will be amazing. And it's got these bags here based on the shape and size. I am assuming it's probably for these face features, maybe, I'm not sure, but it could be for the power pack too. So check this thing out. I've read a lot of reviews, but check this thing out. That's pretty cool. It actually unzips from the bottom too, so you don't have to lift the unit out of it. You could just unzip it and pull this off of the unit. Check that out. Nice carrying case. You could put all your stuff in here. It's got the product name. Designed by the Fourth Space. This is a really high quality bag.